Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We talk about investing, we talk about saving money, but what about making money, right? Because, one of the things we've talked about, is, one of the easiest ways to, get your wealth up is make more money, right? Invest in skills so you can make more money. Well, let's talk about some of those. I'm going to go into one of the ones that's really popular right now, affiliate marketing, right? Because, if you're looking for a way to ramp up your income, might be able to start a blog, right? Might be a smart move. Sure, you can get a part-time job instead, but, why not try something a little different, right? And who wants another, you know, job anyways, right? Because while most regular jobs require you to report to a physical building, you can run a blog in your own room, right? And you own it. You can put in as much or as little effort as you want, right? Well, let's talk about what you can do with your blog to make some money, right? And that's going to be affiliate marketing. We're going to talk about what it is and how it works, right? Because it comes in a lot of different forms, right? It's hard to keep track, right? Not only can you sell the products of others, but you can market other people's courses and services as well. You can even sign up for affiliate marketing programs for products you use yourself. Picture yourself as a salesperson who only sells stuff they love. Just by writing about new products or services, you can educate your readers on what they could benefit from. And when they make a purchase, you make money. Sounds pretty simple, right? Once you're ready to get started, we're gonna go over some of these steps, right? If you feel like you want to take this for a little test drive and get to your first affiliate sale, right? So clearly, step one's going to be start a blog or website, right? Because to make money with affiliate marketing, you need to have a website of your own. It can be a blog or a review website of any kind, but it needs to be yours. And if you think there are too many blogs out in the world, think again, right? You got to remember, there are billions of people in the world, and you only need, a few thousand to check out your website each day to earn a real income. Learn how to start a blog and it can honestly, it might be able to change your life. There's some people out there, you'd be surprised how much money they make from this, right? Well, step two is going to be, building an email list and readership, right? Because it's hard to make money with affiliate marketing when hardly anyone's reading your blog. Before you can ramp things up, you need to build up your own following and social media presence, right? I would suggest starting, a simple email list, right? Chimp is it's going to let you manage your first 2,000 email subscribers for free. That's going to move us into our third one, signing up for affiliate programs. Before you can start raking in cash with your blog, you need to partner with various companies and their affiliate programs. While some products and services have their own programs you need to apply for, big affiliate websites like Commission Junction, Impact Radius, and Flex Offers can connect you with a ton of affiliate programs. Just real easy, right? If you can't get approved for all of the affiliate programs you hope to join right away, just keep trying. Your chances for approval will only increase as your traffic is growing, right? So, step four, you gotta promote products. Once you're approved for affiliate programs, you'll have a set of affiliate links to use on your own website. You can start promoting products right away, using your affiliate links to guide readers towards the purchase of a product or service. Right? Step 5. A follower clicks through your link and decides to buy something. Well, it's going to happen eventually, right? A reader's going to decide to click through your link, purchase a product or service. This is where your profit comes into play, which is step 6. You're going to earn a commission. Affiliate programs pay out various percentages or flat rate commissions based on their product or service. When some affiliate programs offer a percentage of each sale, say 40% of a $100 sale, which is $40 per sale, and there's going to be others that offer a flat payout for each sign up. Some payouts are worth hundreds of dollars, while others cough up pennies per sale. But you got to remember, every single sale counts, right? It all adds up, right? So then step 7, let the money pile up. While earning a commission may get you crazy excited, it takes a while to get money in your hands. Most affiliate programs delay payment for at least 30 to 45 days. After their first affiliate cycle rolls up, you'll start receiving a steady stream of income. Okay, another thing to talk about is going to be the 4 ways to make a sale. If signing up for affiliate programs and adding a link or two, made people rich, everyone would be a millionaire. But unfortunately, it takes a little more legwork to create an affiliate, strategy that helps you earn a sizable income. So we're going to go over some of the best ways to provide your readers with the value they need while also promoting your own affiliate interest, right? So the first one, it's going to be, writing product reviews, right? In-depth reviews are a great way to introduce your readers to a new product or service while offering your own take on how the product works. A product review can be created to market nearly anything. Maybe you love an awesome blender you purchased on Amazon. Well, by writing an in-depth review of that blender and including your own pictures and funny stories, you could convince your reader that they need it too. Pop in a few Amazon affiliate links and the money is sure to follow. On the flip side, you can also review a service instead of a product, right? So number 2, sprinkle affiliate links throughout, your copy. While adding random affiliate links won't always help you earn sales, it never hurts to try. And there are plenty of instances where adding helpful links to a post with a specific angle or purpose can help you earn money. In this piece, there's this piece that I read on 100 and something, 105, 106 ways to make money fast, right? There's affiliate links to like a ton of companies, right? Like 15, 20 companies, right? And each one, it's going to earn an affiliate commission. So once the readers skim the post and they learn how to make money by say one of the ways to make money, right? That person who has those affiliate links all in there, just by saying, hey, look at all these ways to make money. And, each company that they put in there, they have an affiliate link for. Like if it's only $1, let's say it's 100 ways and it's $1, and they get 5,000 people who read it and they get 10%, right? I mean, they make $500. That's a lot of money, right? So another thing, number 3, is going to be writing a guide or a ton of guides. Guides provide readers with valuable information they can use to compare products and services. By writing a comprehensive guide on just about anything, you can share your knowledge while also promoting a handful of products. Number 4, promote something everyone uses. While it's smart to create affiliate, strategies for products or services you use and believe in, you can rack up more earnings by adding some generic strategies to the mix. Like everyone uses Amazon, right? And tons of people shop at stores like Walmart, Target, and Macy's. By signing up for those larger, more generic affiliate programs, you can earn extra money promoting services nearly everyone uses. Right, now we're going to talk about some good, strategies for, affiliate marketing, right? Because if you've started a blog, you're already halfway there. But before you dive headfirst into affiliate marketing, we're going to go over some important details, right? So to get the most of your affiliate strategy, these are some of the things that I want you to do. Number 1, join affiliate networks as often as you can. While seeking out individual affiliate programs can help you earn money, it's a lot of work. Fortunately, affiliate networks can give you access to a bunch of affiliate programs all in one place. Consider affiliate networks like Share a Sale, Commission Junction, right? Both of these can save you time and stress. Once you join, you browse all the available options and see which ones are right for you. Number 2, don't forget to add a disclosure. If you plan to promote products on your website, you need a disclosure. A disclosure explains that you receive compensation when people sign up for products or services through your links. A separate disclosure to protect you from legal issues should also be included on your website. If you're unsure of what to include in your disclosure, speak with a lawyer or just ask other people, right, in your niche about disclosures that they're using, right? Also remember that affiliate programs have different rules for how you can use your links. Some don't allow you to link to their programs via email, for example. Make sure you know each program's rules before you dive in. To make money with affiliate marketing, you have to make sure you're compliant. We're going to move on to number 3. Be honest and only promote programs you believe in. While you might be tempted to promote everything under the sun, it's generally not that good idea, right? You know, one of the best affiliate marketing strategies is just an honest one, right? When people trust your words, they're a lot more likely to use your links. By promoting products and services you actually use and believe in, you will gain your readers' trust and make money. Speaking the truth may not be the fastest money-making strategy, but it is the best one. Number 4, check out your competitors, right? Unsure which affiliate links to promote? The best thing you can do is check out your competitors. Whether, your blog is about pet care, money, travel, whatever it's going to be, there are plenty of other websites in your niche, right? By seeing what they are promoting, you can get some, affiliate ideas for your own blog. Number 5, focus some of your efforts on SEO. While writing reviews or guides is a great way to share your opinions on products and services, they won't help you earn money, if nobody reads them. One of the most important things you can do is learn about SEO, or that stands for search engine optimization, right? By learning more about SEO, you can help your reviews and guides make it to the first page when people search for a specific term. So, like, if someone searches for 100 ways to make money, they'll find, some specific post, right? And if you've done enough SEO on it, maybe you show up on the first page. Maybe you show up in the first 5 links, the first 2 links. Like, it depends on how good your SEO is and the traffic you get and stuff like that. Number 6, don't give up too early, right? This is a painful truth about blogging, right? It's hard work. If it were simple to set up a page and earn a buttload of cash, everyone would be doing it, right? And they'd all be rich. Earning money, on the internet doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. It might take months of trial and error to find a few strategies that work well, but, they also need to work for the long haul. If your goal is making money, you should commit to blogging for a full year without worrying too much about the income side of that equation, right? Because, if you give it a year, you'll start earning some side income that can grow over time. So, is affiliate marketing best for your blog? Well, with a blog and a solid affiliate marketing strategy, anyone can earn some money online. But that doesn't mean it's easy. Just like any other entrepreneurial venture, starting a blog is hard. If you stick with it long enough, however, you can earn money with affiliate marketing and other strategies. Blogging takes, some guts, definitely takes time, but it all starts with the very first step. But the real question is, when are you going to take yours? So I really hope you guys got some good information out of this. Maybe you're going to move towards, this money-making strategy. Maybe it's something that you think you want to do. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe to the channel. Until I see y'all in the next video, y'all be safe.